Algebra 1, Unit 2, Lesson 5. Identifying and graphing sequence. Sequence is a bunch of numbers. Start from a first term. The first term, we have the position numbers. Position, we use n represent. The first term, n equal to 1. The second term, n equal to 2. The third term, n equal to 3. Yeah? Keep going forever. Start with the first term. Okay. Follow the complete the table and state the domain and range for the sequence. Okay, the sequence, what does n means? N means the position. Position of the term. Okay, let's complete the table. Here should be 3, 4, 5, 6, right? This part is easy. Okay, the first term is 12. The second term. What should be the second term? And then the third term is 36. I'm thinking of maybe add 12. Add 12. This is 24. 24 add 12 is 36. 36 add 12 is 48. 48 add 12 is 60. 60 add 12 is 72. Now, for this sequence, what is the domain? The domain is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. What about the range? Range is 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, and then 72. So each domain and range, they both have 6 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. B, part B. Write the first 4 terms of each sequence. It's giving the rule already. We replace n by the position number. So for example, B, part B, we need to write the first 4 terms. So the term 1, so when n equal to 1. So the first term, n equal to 1. 3n, that means 3 times 1. For the first term, that means 3 times 1, minus 1. 3 times 1, that's 3. 3 minus 1, that's 2. So the first term is 2. Second term. The second term, I replace n by 2. The position 2. The position is 2. So 3 times 2 minus 1. 3 times 1, 3 times 2, that's 6. So 6 minus 1. That is what? That is 5, right? 5. This is second term. Now I'm going to find the third term. The third one is 3 times the position number and then minus 1. 3 times 3, that's 9. 9 minus 1, that's 8. 8. Okay. Position 4. Position 4. The first term, right? So 3 times 4 minus 1. 3 times 4, that's 12. 12 minus 1, 11. So this is the first 4 terms of this sequence. Yeah? Oh, number 2. Number 2, the first 4 terms. We have a square here. Okay. First term. I'm going to replace n by 1. So 1 squared plus 2 times 1 and then plus 5. Yeah. 1 square, that means 1 times 1 is still 1. 2 times 1, that's 2. And then we still have 5. 1 plus 2, that's 3. 3 plus 5, that's 8. So the first term is 8. Okay, second term. Second term, f of 2. That means 2 square plus 2 times n equal to 2, and then plus 5. 2 square is 4. 2 times 2 is also 4, and then plus 5. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 5, 13. So this is the second term, is 13. Okay, let's do number 3. Number 3, f of 3 equal to 3 square plus 2 times 3, and then plus 5. 3 square, that's 9. Okay? So there's 3 square, that's 3 times 3. Okay? 9. 9 plus 2 times 3 is 6, plus 5. This equal to what? 15. 15 plus 5, that's 20. Right? 20. Okay, last one. Ooh, last one. Last one is position 4, right? The first term. So n squared, that means 4 squared plus 2 times 4, and then plus 5. 4 squared, that's 16. 16 plus 8 plus 5. This is 24 plus 5, so it's 29. 29. Okay. Number 3. Number 3, the first 4 term. Okay, let's do the first term. Replace n by 1. 1 minus 1 times 1 minus 2. 1 minus 1 is already 0. 0 multiply any number. That's 0. When we have 2 parentheses, the relationship is this multiply this, right? We figure out the total value inside this parenthesis and multiply the value of the second parenthesis. This is the multiplication. So this one, the first time 1 is 0. Because 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 times anything is still 0. So the first term is 0. Okay, second term. Second term. We replace n by 2. So 2 minus 1 times 2 minus 2. This time, this part is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. 0 times anything is still 0. So this one equal to 0. So the second term is also 0. Ooh. This is a little tricky, a little weird. Okay. Number 3, the third term. Going to be 3 minus 1 times 3 minus 2. I replace n by 3, right? N by 3. Okay, 3 minus 1, that is 2, times 3 minus 2, that's 1. So 2 times 1, that is 2. Okay, the third term is 2. Last one. The first term. So 4 minus 1 times 4 minus 2. 4 minus 1, that's 3. 4 minus 2, that's 2. This is 6. Yeah. 0, 0, 2, 6. That's number 3. Number 4. First 4 term. Okay, let's do 1. Square root 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Square root 0 is still 0. So the first term is 0. Okay, let's do the second term. Second term, oops. When n equal to 2. So this is going to be 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is just 1. Square root 1 is also 1. Okay, let's do number 3. The third term. square root n equal to 3. So is this going to be 3 minus 1? That's square root 2. Square root 2, by the way, square root 2 is 1.4. 1.414 something. Yeah. We can just write exactly like a square root 2. Use red. Square root 2. Okay. Next term, which is 4. F of 4. F of 4, square root 4 minus 1, that is square root 3. So square root 3. So that's it. Square root 3 is about 1.732. So this is number 4. Sequence. Okay, part C. Emma pays $10 to join a gym. Pays $10 to join a gym. For the first 5 months, she pays a monthly $15 membership. Oh, that's pretty cheap, I think. $15. Use the explicit rule to complete the table, graph the sequence, and create the ordered pair. Okay, the function, the rule, explicit rule, or sometimes people call formula, is already given. N means the number of month, right? So how much is going to total cost? Okay, now we're going to do the rest. 2, 3, 4, 5. So when n equal to 2, we replace n by 2. So add 10. Add 10 here is not changing. So add 10 is not changing. When n equal to 3, n equal to 4, n equal to 5, you just multiply by the different month number, right? How many months? Okay, let's do this one, the second one. So 15 times 2, that's 30. 30 plus 10, that's 40, right? 30, yeah, that's 40. So this is 40. Number 3, 45. 15 times 3, that's 45. So this is 45. 45 plus 10, that's 55, right? 55. And the next, 15 times 4. I believe 15 times 4, that's 60. So this is 60. 60 add 10, that's 70. So 70. Last one. 15 times 5, this is 75. 75 add 10, that's 85. 85. Okay, let's graph. 70, 85, yeah. Let's graph it. When n equal to 1, the sequence number, the sequence value is 25. 1, 25. So this is 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's 30, right? Oh, so each box represents 5. Okay. So 25, though, is right here. The first month, right? First month, total cost is 25. Second month, total cost is 40. Third month, total is 55. Right here. Whoop. What happened? Second month is 40 right here. Third month 55, 40, 45, 50, 55 right here. Number 4, 70 right here. Month 4, right? Month 5, 85. 85 right here. That's it for the graph. So this is pretty much, ordered pair. Almost forgot. Ordered pair. Okay. Ordered pair. 1, 25. 2, 40, 3, 55, 4, 70, 5, comma 85. Parenthesis and then curly bracket. Done.